If you want to use link to Windows on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to connected devices. Then in here, we should be able to find link to Windows. So we want to go over here, and then you have the option to sign into your Microsoft account, or you can just sign in using the QR code, which is definitely the more convenient way to do so. And in order to get the QR code on your Windows computer or laptop, you want to open the Phone Link app, which should be pre-installed, and then in here you want to continue by choosing the Android option. Then you should be able to get the QR code. So on your phone, if you tap on sign in using the QR code, you should be able to scan it and then go through additional steps, like for example, entering a code that you will see on your computer. And then you might also need to go through additional verification step to confirm that you have access to that Microsoft account. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.